So let's look at our second section. So now it's showing us C major chords for the right hand. So RH means right hand. And as you can see, it's the same thing, except we're on a new clef now. So that C that we saw here is no longer a C here. It's actually an A. But middle C starts with a line right there. And then we overlap with, we go up to E and up to G. And then we already learned half notes are 2 beats and whole notes are 4 beats. So we're just doing the same thing, just on the right hand. And of course, we are repeating the warm-up. Oh, somebody has a question. I have a keyboard and I don't know what keys it would be. Can I have? So the question is, you don't know what keys it would be? Okay, let me see if I can demonstrate that on the piano. So I wouldn't know how many keys you have on your keyboard, but C4 should be just at the center, which is middle C. That's like on the center of the whole thing. So starting here, this is middle C, and this is where your thumb should be. Earlier we did a left hand, but since we're moving on to the right hand, see if you can find in the middle of the piano is C, it's between the 2 black notes. And this is middle C, and just make sure you put your thumb there. So let me just demonstrate once again our exercise. We're gonna be doing the first chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll do that 2 times. And then this means repeat. So then we're gonna go and repeat the whole thing. Okay, let's go back to the keyboard now. So starting on middle C right here, I'm gonna count 3, 4, and then we'll go ahead and hit the chord. So just make sure before you start that you are centered. I'm gonna move my stool just a little bit because I was a bit off center, but now I'm right in front of this section where I want to be. All right, so starting on C, C, E, G. And then remember, we don't want to tense up. We don't want to have our fingers going up. Just make sure everything's nice and curved. Okay, so ready? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. And up. So that's for C major key on the C major chord, sorry, on the right hand.